Personal flying machines are no longer a futuristic dream. They're becoming a reality for everyday people. Imagine soaring above the city on a compact electric aircraft that takes off vertically, hovers effortlessly, and glides with intuitive controls. With multiple motors for safety, lightweight frames for agility, and even amphibious designs for land or water takeoffs, these machines are redefining travel and adventure. Perfect for short trips or scenic flights, advanced autopilot and cutting-edge engineering make personal flights safer, longer, and more accessible than ever, bringing the excitement of flying straight into your hands. RYSE RECON. The RYSE RECON represents a practical leap toward making personal electric flight part of everyday life. Designed as an ultralight electric VTOL, it focuses on simplicity, versatility, and real-world usability, rather than just futuristic spectacle. Its compact multi-rotor design and quiet electric propulsion show how modern aviation is becoming cleaner, smoother, and easier to manage. With the ability to take off and land on both land and water, it opens new doors for adventure, work, and exploration in places traditional vehicles can't reach. With intuitive controls and assisted stabilization, it brings the dream of personal flight closer to reality. ZAPATA Airscooter. The ZAPATA Airscooter brings the dream of personal flight closer to reality by blending futuristic styling with smart, practical engineering. Designed as a single-seat aircraft, it reflects a bold vision of making flight feel simple and approachable. Its compact structure, panoramic cockpit, and multi-rotor layout show how aviation is moving beyond traditional helicopters and airplanes. By combining electric systems with extended range propulsion, it focuses on endurance and reliability, while operating from small open spaces without the need for runways. More than just a machine, it signals a future where taking to the skies could feel as natural as riding on the road. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE showcases how personal electric flight is rapidly moving from bold concept to real-world experience. Designed as a compact, single-seat electric VTOL, it reimagines flying as something lightweight, intuitive, and surprisingly approachable. Its open frame structure and multiple electric motors work with advanced flight computers to provide automatic stabilization, making the ride feel natural instead of overwhelming. Focused on short aerial adventures, it emphasizes agility, safety, and simplicity rather than complexity. With clean, quiet electric propulsion and a striking minimalist design, it represents a future where stepping into the sky feels like a lifestyle choice, not just a pilot's privilege. Urban Aero CityHawk. The Urban Aero CityHawk represents a bold rethinking of how aircraft could safely operate inside crowded cities. Designed as a compact VTOL, with enclosed rotors hidden within its fuselage, it offers a quieter and more secure alternative to traditional helicopters. This internal fan system allows it to fly close to buildings, rooftops, and tight urban spaces without exposed blades. Built with future-ready propulsion in mind, it reflects the shift toward cleaner and more sustainable air mobility. Rather than thrill rides, it focuses on solving congestion, emergency response, and rapid transport, bringing routine urban flight closer to everyday reality. Bellwether Volar. The Bellwether Volar is a cutting-edge personal flying machine built to revolutionize urban travel. Developed by Bellwether Industries, this electric VTOL uses hidden propulsion systems and embedded fans to stay compact, quiet, and safe near buildings and crowded areas. Unlike traditional helicopters, its enclosed design minimizes noise and eliminates exposed rotors, making city flights practical. Prototype demos, including free flights in Dubai, highlight its stability and innovative engineering. Designed for 2 passengers now, future versions aim for 4 or 5, envisioning on-demand transport, premium air services, and emergency mobility, bringing everyday city-to-city flight closer to reality. Lift aircraft Hexa. The lift aircraft Hexa is a revolutionary single-seat electric VTOL ultralight designed to make personal flight accessible without a traditional pilot's license. Developed in Austin, Texas, it blends the simplicity of a personal drone with real-world flying for short excursions and scenic adventures. Powered by 18 independent electric motors, it can safely stay airborne even if multiple motors fail. Its carbon fiber frame and amphibious floats enable takeoff from land or water, while a 3-axis joystick and optional autopilot make control intuitive for beginners. With speeds up to 63 miles per hour and around 15 minutes of flight time, it's built for fun, short hops, signaling a new era of accessible personal aviation. Xpeng X2. The Xpeng X2 is an innovative 2-seat personal flying machine from Xpeng Air, designed to make urban air mobility a practical reality. With a sleek enclosed cockpit and lightweight carbon fiber frame, it delivers zero-emission flight powered by 8 electric propellers, carrying 2 passengers with a payload of up to 200 kilograms. Reaching speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour for about 35 minutes, it's perfect for city hops or scenic trips. Pilots can fly manually or rely on its autonomous system for takeoff, navigation, and landing, while advanced safety features like motor redundancy, obstacle detection, and an emergency parachute ensure peace of mind. Tested extensively, it's set to enter production around 2025, bringing electric personal flight closer than ever. XTurismo. The XTurismo is a striking personal flying machine, a hoverbike that fuses motorcycle styling with vertical flight for a single rider. Vertical lift comes from 2 large propellers, while 4 smaller directional fans provide stability, letting pilots ride in a familiar motorcycle posture with handlebars and a seat. Its hybrid system, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors, offered 30 to 40 minutes of flight at speeds of 60 to 100 kilometers per hour. Though the company filed for bankruptcy in 2024, the XTurismo remains a bold vision of personal aviation, blending adventure, futuristic tech, and inspiration for the next generation of airborne motorcycles and urban flight experiences. CycloTech BlackBird. The CycloTech BlackBird is a cutting-edge personal flying machine designed to showcase the future of urban air mobility. Developed by Austria's CycloTech GmbH, it features a unique cyclorotor propulsion system that offers full 360-degree thrust control, enabling vertical takeoff, sideways movement, and precise mid-air braking. Weighing around 340 kilograms, it uses 6 electric-powered rotors for stability, redundancy, and smooth transitions between hovering and forward flight. Its compact frame and agile handling make it perfect for tight urban spaces, while rapid development and maiden flights highlight its innovative design. Currently a tech demonstrator, it paves the way for future passenger models and practical urban air vehicles. Silverwing Personal Flight S1. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 is a groundbreaking electric flying motorcycle designed by Delft University of Technology, blending vertical takeoff and landing with a tailsitter design for seamless transitions between hover and forward flight. Its forward-leaning, motorcycle-style riding position puts the pilot in the heart of the action, while 2 electric ducted fans provide lift and thrust. Built from lightweight carbon composites with integrated batteries, it emphasizes compactness, low noise, and short city hops. Autonomous stabilization aids simplify takeoff and landing, reaching speeds around 100 kilometers per hour, showcasing a creative, agile, and safe vision for the future of personal urban air mobility. Leo Coupe. The Leo Coupe is redefining personal flight with a compact, high-performance 2-seat electric VTOL that blends luxury design with advanced aerial engineering. Built with clustered electric jets and ducted fans, it enhances safety through redundancy while reducing noise and overall risk. Its semi-autonomous fly-by-wire system and intuitive joystick controls make piloting feel approachable, supported by automated takeoff, landing, and stabilization. Designed for impressive speed and practical range, it's built for intercity trips or quick escapes. With features like a ballistic parachute and emergency systems, plus a footprint small enough for a garage, it signals a bold step toward truly accessible personal aviation. CycloTech CruiseUp. The CycloTech CruiseUp is a groundbreaking personal eVTOL built for urban and regional travel, offering a bold glimpse into the future of individual air mobility. Its unique cyclorotor propulsion system uses 6 cylindrical rotors that can vector thrust in any direction, delivering full 360-degree maneuverability. This allows it to hover, slide sideways, brake mid-air, and transition to forward flight without tilting or banking. Designed for a pilot and 1 passenger, it features a lightweight carbon fiber body, panoramic windows, and impressive agility. Though still in development, it reflects a major shift towards safe, versatile flight designed to fit seamlessly into everyday city life. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike feels like something ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie, transforming the dream of solo human flight into a bold and breathtaking reality. This jet-powered hoverbike blends the posture and thrill of a motorcycle with the freedom of vertical takeoff and smooth hovering, giving a single rider the power to rise and glide with confidence. Instead of bulky rotors, it relies on compact jet propulsion and advanced flight stabilization to stay perfectly balanced in the air. Its lightweight open-frame design offers a clear 360-degree view, creating a raw, immersive experience that showcases the exciting future of personal aviation. Vertical Aerospace Valo. The Vertical Aerospace Valo is an ambitious personal flying machine designed to revolutionize urban and regional travel with zero emissions. Building on lessons from the VX4, it features a sleek aerodynamic frame, advanced battery systems, and 8 electric motors that enable flights up to 100 miles at speeds around 100 kilometers per hour. Its quiet operation and certification-ready design aim to meet strict safety standards, while the cabin comfortably seats 4 passengers with panoramic windows and luggage space, expandable to 6 for future urban air taxi or shuttle services. Versatile and efficient, the Valo is suited for city-to-airport links, emergency missions, and cargo transport, signaling a new era of accessible electric flight. JetPack Speeder. The JetPack Speeder is a revolutionary personal flying machine, a jet-powered flying motorcycle built to take off vertically and soar at thrilling speeds. Developed in California, it combines cutting-edge aerospace engineering with motorcycle-inspired ergonomics, giving pilots the agility of a sports bike and the exhilaration of flight. 4 compact jet turbines provide lift and forward thrust, enabling vertical takeoff from tight spaces and speeds over 100 kilometers per hour. Computer-stabilized fly-by-wire controls make it intuitive to pilot, while ultralight and high-performance versions offer versatility for personal travel, cargo, or autonomous use, bringing high-speed personal flight closer to reality.